Today I am reviewing Lenovo LOQ 15 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to gaming laptops that combine power, portability, and style, the Lenovo LOQ 15 truly stands out. This laptop is built for serious gamers, content creators, and professionals who need high performance in a sleek, compact package. Right out of the box, the Luna Gray chassis gives it a premium, understated look, perfect for both gaming and professional environments. At the heart of the Lenovo LOQ 15 is the Intel Core i7-13650HX processor, which is part of Intel's latest generation of high-performance CPUs. This processor runs at a base speed of 2.6 GHz and can turbo up to much higher frequencies, ensuring smooth multitasking, lightning fast application launches, and a seamless gaming experience even with demanding AAA titles. Coupled with 24 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB SSD, this laptop handles everything you throw at it, from heavy video editing projects to resource-intensive games. Programs load quickly, system responsiveness is excellent, and the laptop's memory capacity ensures that multitasking is smooth and fluid. For gamers, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 graphics card with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory delivers impressive visual performance. Whether you are playing high-end games at ultra settings or rendering 3D content, the RTX 5050 ensures crisp, detailed graphics with minimal lag. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate provides incredibly smooth visuals, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering during fast-paced gaming sequences. The 300 nit brightness ensures that colors are vibrant and images remain sharp even in well-lit rooms, making this display ideal for both work and play. One of the standout features of the LOQ 15 is its design and portability. Weighing just under 4 kilograms and measuring less than an inch thick, it's surprisingly portable for a laptop with this level of power. Its slim profile doesn't sacrifice performance, and the overall build feels sturdy yet lightweight enough to carry between work, school, or gaming sessions. The 180-degree hinge adds flexibility, letting you adjust the screen to the most comfortable angle for gaming, watching movies, or productivity work. In terms of connectivity, the Lenovo LOQ 15 is well-equipped for modern needs. It comes with Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast wireless connections, Bluetooth 5.3 for peripheral connectivity, 4 USB ports, and an HDMI port to connect additional displays. This means you can connect multiple monitors, external storage devices, or gaming accessories without any hassle. The laptop also includes a built-in webcam for video calls, online classes, and streaming, which is perfect for today's hybrid work and gaming setups. Another notable aspect of this laptop is its thermal management. Lenovo's engineering ensures that even during long gaming sessions or intensive workloads, the laptop maintains optimal temperatures. Combined with efficient fans, this cooling system minimizes heat buildup and keeps performance consistent without throttling. Battery life is decent for a gaming laptop of this caliber, and while heavy gaming will require a plug, lighter productivity tasks and streaming sessions can last several hours on a single charge. Running Windows 11 Home, this laptop provides a smooth and modern interface with excellent compatibility for both gaming software and professional applications. In conclusion, the Lenovo LOQ 15 is a powerhouse of a laptop that caters to gamers, students, and professionals alike. Its combination of the Intel Core i7 processor, RTX 5050 graphics, 24 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, and a 144Hz Full HD IPS display makes it a versatile machine capable of handling almost any task. Its sleek design, portability, and robust connectivity options make it a standout choice in the crowded gaming laptop market. Whether you are gaming, creating content, or simply need a high-performance laptop for everyday use, the Lenovo LOQ 15 is a smart investment that delivers excellent value for its performance.